Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Free Swami Vivekananda. All of you repeat. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Free Swami Vivekananda. Who is Vice President, Speaker and Chairman of Rajya Sabha? He is Jagdish Dhankar. All people. Who is Vice President, Speaker and Chairman of Rajya Sabha? He is Jagdish Dhankar. Wednesday, today's news. Central case, genetically modified oil used for decades. Supreme Court reserves judging on environmental release. Central government makes mandatory to write reasons for prescribing antibiotics.
ఉంటాయి, వాటిని కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయండి. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ నుంచి అంతా కూడా పరీక్షలు చేయాలి. అన్ని పరీక్షలు జరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి దానికి తగినట్లుగా మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి ప్రతి పరీక్షని శ్రద్ధతో అటెంప్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎప్పుడు వచ్చే పరీక్షలే కదా అని చెప్పేసి ఏమాత్రం కూడా నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయదు.
Students, a very good morning to you all. Okay, so you look very pristine today. So what's the reason? You are very healthy, you are very happy because this is the morning time and evening also you should be like this. So today I stand before you to say few words about good habits. Do you know good habits? What are the good habits? Okay, let me explain a few good habits. So the very beginning, what is the first and foremost good habit? Repeat after me. Early to bed, early to rise, make man healthy, wealthy and wise. Early to rise, early to bed, make man healthy, wealthy and wise. So you should get up early in the morning. It makes man very healthy, very happy because it consumes more oxygen in the air. So you have to breathe in pure oxygen in the early morning. Okay? And the second habit, cleanliness. Okay? Hygienic